there, tech fans. Today I'd like to show you a brand new quick release mount for the Insta360 X5 camera. Now I use this camera pretty much every day, and I'm constantly moving it from tabletop tripods like this one to full-size standing tripods when I'm outside, or maybe a suction cup mount or a magnet mount when I'm in my car. And I'm always worried that I'm going to drop the camera when I'm moving it between those mounts, because the most dangerous time with this camera is anytime you have it in your hand, because if you fumble a little bit, that camera heads for the ground, it's going to crack a lens or it's going to scratch up the front display. So I'm looking for a mount that I can hang onto the camera and with the other hand release it from whatever I have it mounted to and then move it to the next mounting solution. And that's exactly what this product is designed to do. Now the camera itself has two different styles of mounting. It is a standard 1/4" 20 on the bottom that you can use with any tripod with a stud that's got threads on it. It also has the ability to clamp on through magnetics and through a claw to a mount like this. And that's where the quick release comes in, because normally I'm putting it on a tripod like this tabletop, which has that 1/4" 20 on it. But again, to get it off here, I've got to hold it with one hand. I'm already making the lenses dirty, and I'm unscrewing the tabletop tripod. Then I've got to move it to another tripod, and if it's a freestanding tripod, I've got to actually screw it onto the top of the tripod. And again, I'm always worried about dropping it. So what this product does is it solves that problem, because it magnetically attaches to the bottom, and it's got little claws on either side that clamp onto the camera really well. Now, a few things that are different about this mount. Actually, let me put this back on the tripod for a second. It's aluminum, which is important because a lot of the clamp mounts out there are a combination of metal and plastic. And I worry that if I have this clamped to my hood of my car and I'm zipping down the road at 45 miles an hour, I don't want that mount to break and have the camera tumble off to the side. So an all aluminum design was really important to me. I also like the fact that this provides two different mounting options for the tripod. It is a standard 1/4" 20 on the bottom, so I can still use it with a tabletop and a standing tripod, but it also has these little flip out ears right there that allow me to mount it to a 3-finger mount like a GoPro mount or some of the other chest mounts that I use. So what's nice about this is I can use a couple of these because they're not that expensive, and leave one on here, leave one on my tripod, leave one on my chest mount, and then all I have to do to move between them is push these two little red buttons on the outside, which releases the camera. The magnetic holds it on there. I can pop it off, pop it onto the new mount, and just go about my filming. So I like it a lot, and I think it's really effective. Let me show you how it works. So in this case, I've got a 1/4" 20 right there. I'm going to set this down gently on the table. I'm going to screw this into the 1/4" 20 hole in the bottom, and now I've got the mount on there. And to mount the camera, all I have to do is basically bring it near the mount, and you're on. That's it. It's stuck on there, and it's not going anywhere. It's not coming off, which is really nice. So if I want to move it from here to a stand-up tripod, all I have to do is push in on these two little red ears on the outside. I also like the fact that they've made those red, so they're obvious. But if I push those together, I can lift the camera off, move it to the next mount, and be on my way. Put it back on this mount. Again, pretty straightforward. Just center it on the mount, clip it on like that, and you're good to go. The other thing that's really cool about it is a lot of my mounts are using the older style GoPro 3-finger mount, where you've got the screw going in from the side. I can use this on those mounts as well. So what I've done is I've picked up a couple of these. I've got one on a freestanding tripod, I've got one on a suction mount for my car, and I've got one on my tabletop tripod. And again, it couldn't be easier to move between those different tripods by just pushing those buttons and popping it off. Now, a couple other features this product has, which are pretty cool. You got to make sure you get it centered. It takes me a second. There you go. It's got a cushioning between the actual camera and the magnetics. Now there's a very powerful magnet in the bottom of this. It adheres really well, so that might be enough to keep it on the bottom, but I like the fact that they put a piece of silicone rubber between the camera and the actual metal mount, which gives it a little bit of cushioning. So when you push down, that's why I had a little trouble getting it on there because it's brand new. You've got to push down pretty hard to get it into those clamps, but then it's not going anywhere. Another big advantage to this one over some of the other ones that I tested is that it's got 4 heavy-duty claws that pop up. So I've got redundancy there. So if one of them doesn't catch quite right, the other 3 will catch and hold on to the camera. And that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about today. I like this camera an awful lot, and again, I use it an awful lot. And the big fear with this or any 360 camera is that you've got lenses on both sides of the actual camera itself. So you can't really lay it down on its side. If you drop it, one of those lenses could hit the ground and crack or scratch up, and I don't want to deal with that. So this mount fixes that problem for me. I leave it on all of my mounts. It works with the 360. It also works with the Ace Pro series from Insta360 as well. So if you've got either one of those cameras, you can use both of them with this mount at the same time. And that's pretty much it for today. So thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope you found value in this review. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.